In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount tag on Shopify. If you've ever wondered how to make your sale item stand out with a clear sale or discount badge, this is exactly what we'll set up together. The nice thing is, you don't need to touch any code for this. Shopify can automatically show a sale badge on your product cards, as long as the pricing is set up correctly in the product settings. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your main control center, where you manage products, orders, and everything related to your store. Once you're in the admin, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Products. This will open a list of all the products currently in your store. From this list, choose the product you want to put on sale. Click on the product name to open its details page. This is where you can edit things like the title, description, images, and most importantly for this video, the pricing. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Pricing. Here you'll see two important fields, Price and Compare at Price. These two fields work together to trigger the discount or sale badge on your storefront. Set the price field to the amount you want to charge your customers during the sale. This is the discounted price that shoppers will actually pay. Then in the Compare at Price field, enter the original higher price that the product normally sells for. For example, if the regular price is $50 and you want to sell it for $35, you would set the price to $35 and the compare at price to $50. The key point is that the compare at price must be higher than the sale price. When Shopify sees that difference, it knows the product is on sale, and most themes will automatically display a sale badge or discount tag on the product card, and sometimes on the product page as well. After updating these fields, click the Save button at the top or bottom of the page to make sure your changes are stored. Once it's saved, go to the top right and click Preview or open your online store in a new tab. Navigate to the product you just edited or view it on a collection page, and you should now see a sale badge or discount indicator on that product. That's all you need to do. By simply adjusting the price and compare at price inside your Shopify admin, you can quickly add eye-catching discount tags to your products and highlight your promotions to customers.